first thing you need to know about schedules is that in the preview everything will be shown, even if it's not scheduled for that moment. We'll start with scheduling pages. To schedule a page, you click the calendar button of the page you'd like to schedule. Here you can choose your start date and end date. The start time and end time are always on the same day. So, for example, you can schedule a playlist for 1 week and have it start and end every day at the same time, but you can't have a page scheduled over 2 days. For example, if you want your presentation to last from 11 o'clock in the evening till 2 o'clock in the morning the next day, it won't work. TDM will see this as a start time beginning after the begin time, so that won't work. To overlap to a next day, you need to make a copy of the page, or playlist if you will, and have it scheduled for the next day. Here you can also select if this particular page is active or not. A page being active or not doesn't mean the scheduling is active. If a page is active, it will be shown in the scheduling. If a page isn't active, it will not be shown in the playlist it is in, even if the playlist is scheduled. Now for scheduling playlists. It works practically the same as for scheduling pages, but the scheduled pages overrule the scheduled playlists. If a page isn't scheduled for a particular date, but it is in a playlist that is scheduled for that day, then the page will not be shown. A page that is scheduled for that day, but is in a playlist that isn't, will still be shown. Lastly, I will explain the scheduling of presentations. The scheduling of presentations is at the top of the ranking list and it will overrule everything, even scheduled pages. Scheduled presentations can be scheduled over multiple days. Creating it can be by using the select and drag method, or just by clicking twice and manually adjusting the time and date. The time zone can be changed in the main screen of schedules or per individual scheduling. This could come in handy if you have players in different time zones and want them all to start at 12 o'clock. You can also repeat your schedules daily, monthly or yearly, for example every third Saturday of the month.